Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Display Settings so Windows can change the rendered size system-wide. Right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. This step tells Windows which display to adjust. Once the settings window appears, make sure the correct monitor is selected at the top. Then find the Scale and Layout area. That's where font and UI scaling live. This initial move prepares the system for a controlled, reversible change instead of changing fonts piecemeal. Now adjust scaling to increase font and UI elements together. This preserves layout and app proportions. Choose a recommended preset such as 125% or 150% for immediate effect, because presets balance readability and screen space. If you need a custom value, click Advanced Scaling Settings and enter a precise percentage. This helps when a preset is too small or large. Once done, Windows may ask you to sign out and back in. Do that to ensure. Finish by fine-tuning text size or fixing any blurriness you see. If you only want larger text, open Ease of Access, select Display, and raise the text size slider. That changes fonts without altering icons. Make sure to restart apps or sign out so every program updates its rendering. If text looks blurry after scaling, try advanced scaling fixes or update your display driver. These actions resolve common DPI scaling issues and keep fonts crisp and readable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.